You want people holding the doors?
Get out of my way!
At least the top of the windshield. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go.
20 seconds.
The 163.75.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Official qualifying scores.
Then I had to turn it off, wiggle the wires, try it again.
160.